Officials in Hong Kong say a 36-year-old Indonesian woman is in critical condition after becoming infected with the avian influenza, or bird flu, the first human case recorded outside mainland China. Hong Kong's Food and Health Secretary, Dr. Ko Wing-man.
The victim is a 36-year-old Indonesian domestic helper. She has history of traveling to Shenzhen and buying a chicken, slaughtering the chicken, and eating the chicken. We have also escalated the grade of our influenza contingency plan to serious.
This particular strain of bird flu, H7N9, was first detected in mainland China earlier this year and has killed 23 people. Governments around Asia had taken strict measures to try and avoid the spread of the disease. Residents at poultry markets in Hong Kong say the outbreak won't stop them from eating chicken. I'm not worried, this person said. If you pay attention to personal hygiene, it'll be okay. Another person said, if you don't cook your food, you'll get sick. It doesn't matter if it's poultry, pork, or something else. H5N1, an earlier, more deadly strain of the flu, killed almost 300 people in Hong Kong 10 years ago.